He's a better one.
Fuck, that's awesome. That's shiny he is. He's pretty big too. Looks so clean.
Give it to go, give it to go.
Sorry, mate.
You had to get one there. That was too perfect. Oh, look at him. Just fucking bungee jump.
Let me have a look at you, mate, and I'll let you go.
Put him against my broad butt.
Go on.
Tell your mates. Fucking being abducted.
Is he caught up? Let me going. Holy fuck. That's a big hole there. Oh, look at Sooty. You see that hole I just fell in?
No.
I just fell in all the way up to there. Oh, that's a donkey.
Sooty.
Holy hell. That's big.
Oh yeah, that's the end of this lure. There was two about this size that come out of that little hole. Yeah, he's a cracker.
Fuck yeah.
On the Clitex. It's a shine.
Stunning. It smells fishy.
Mm.
Oh! What are you gonna do?
Right on the back.
Yeah, fuck yeah, Hallie. Fuck yes! I'm still here. Oh, that's so good, man. Oh, man.
Epic.
Fuck yes.
There's got to be more in there.
Oh, for sure. Your lure's still sitting in there. Probably get taken off soon.
Oh, did the lure come off?
No, I just left it so I come see this. Oh, fuck. Something to do.
Oh, sorry, mate.
In the fresh water. Where they don't even live.
Up in the hills. Is mine recording?
Yeah. Fuck yeah. I didn't even think we were going to see one today. Oh, that's so good.
That was made. It was already worth it, this catching the bloody. That's so cool. Might definitely take a couple of the phones with me. In that pocket there,
I got pliers.
Oh, you got pliers?
Yeah, there you go.
Awesome. Thank you.
What have you done with the small guy? Oh, ho, ho, ho. Yeah! Oh, that's pretty good, Hallie.
Oh,
That's a good one. That's a really good one. Oh, he busted off.
You want to fly out?
He come off.
Oh man, he's a lovely one.
That's awesome.
He's a specimen. You want a little picky?
Oh, there you go. It's a bit dirty. I'll try to clean him, but he'll probably take off. What do you reckon he'd be 30?
Yeah.
Fuck yes. So good.
I'll get one. Deadly. They look good when they got those, like, just those more defined big scales.
Oh. Oh, hit a slap.
Yeah.
Oh, dude, that's fucking awesome. Let me see.
Nice. Forearm size. And the old goat. That's the hole we were just fishing.
Was it right there?
Just right there.
Just
But there's more in there. Your little one. You can feel him bite the tail on this thing. Need to fish that.
Mm.
You might be able to walk this one out. What time do you have to be back?
Oh, I don't really. Haven't had any free time in a while, so.
Bank a bit up.
Yeah. Oh. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Fuck.
Oh yeah, we're on here. We're getting to the point. To the pressure system.
Oh, I dropped him. Fuck. Dad, I don't think I had one. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Their top spikes are nasty, eh?
Yeah.
They just stick them out ready for you. That's a good fish, I'm happy with that. Alright. Can you see what's in there? What was I stuck on? Yeah. Got that fun, any size.